Hello, my name is Elias. I am in AJ and Amisa's deep group, and this is my project consisting of a chaotic triple pendulum and then a simulation for a double pendulum. So the chaotic triple pendulum is made up of 3D printed letters attached to a metal rod, and you can set off the triple pendulum and you can see how the 3 letters move quite unpredictably. Now, the triple pendulum, it moves pretty quickly, so it's a bit difficult to follow along with the motion, and it also damps somewhat quickly. And so to sort of make up for that, I have a simulation for a double pendulum where in the simulation, you could adjust how the pendulums are initially set up, so you can adjust their angles, and you can adjust the speed of each rod. And then when you run the pendulums, you can see the pendulums move, and you can see the path that gets traced out by the end of the blue rod. And then at the end of the simulation, which it runs for 15 seconds, it'll give you a score based on how quickly the 2 rods were moving throughout the duration of the motion. And another feature of the simulation is that you can compare 2 paths, and then when I adjust one of the initial angles by only about 4 degrees, and then I run it again, it'll show both of the paths, and you can see that the darker gray path starts off kind of similar to the lighter gray path, but then once you give it enough time, the 2 paths will eventually separate, demonstrating the system's very sensitive to the initial conditions. Thank you.